Hey, it's Ty with Credit Suite, and in this business credit and funding tip, we're going to talk more about your FICO business credit score. So the FICO SBSS score is a measure of your small business's credit worthiness. The score is becoming very popular with lenders. It's even widely used by many institutions, including those offering SBA loans. It's now a requirement for lenders to pull FICO SBSS and for you to have an acceptable enough score to get approved for any kind of SBA loan. Now, FICO SBSS is based on both your personal and your business credit history, not just your business history as the main scores are. So this means that you need to worry about both your consumer and business credit history when it comes to FICO, but they look at your business credit history heavier into the weight of the overall score than consumer. Scores reflect the likelihood of you paying your bills on time. Scores range from 0 to 100 with a higher score, meaning lower risk. And again, as we talked about, personal and business credit scores are included, so you need to make sure you maximize both your consumer and your business credit for the best FICO SBSS score.